Hope everybody's doing absolutely wonderful. So a lot to talk about right now. Big report out of Redfin. The market for the last 10 to 12 years has been a seller's market. Very, very challenging for buyers. This is changing quickly. So we went kind of to a more net neutral market. There are now 500,000 more sellers than buyers in the United States, which is a huge number. That's really important. That tells you it's now a buyer's market. Things are changing. It is definitely moving the other way for buyers, which is a good thing. You know, it's a good thing. Rates are coming down a little bit. There's more inventory, so buyers have more power, which is good. We're seeing seller paid closing costs. We're seeing longer contingencies in some markets. So a positive thing. What's interesting about the 500,000 number, more buyers than sellers than buyers, there's one state that occupies 6 out of the top 10 spots for the biggest discrepancies. What I mean by that is, 3-to-1 sellers to buyers, 4-to-1 sellers to buyers, really big disparities where housing's sitting on the market. 6 out of the top 10 cities in the country are in Florida, which is crazy. That's 6 out of 10 in the Southeast would be astronomical. 6 out of 10 in the country is unheard of. So you're gonna see property values in Florida drop. In Georgia, things are stable. Remember, last year, U.S. News ranked I think it was the I-85-285 corridor as the #1 place in the country for economic growth and development. People are relocating, companies are coming here, people are relocating, et cetera. Johns Creek went from top 10 in the country, best city to live, to the #1 city in the country to live. So Florida, not great news out of Florida. Georgia, strong, great news, best city in the country to live in. Go out, promote this on social, guys. And then don't forget, last year, #1 in the country for economic growth and development was I-85-285 corridor. So some positive news. Again, if you've got buyers that have been on the fence, now's a great time to reach out to them. Hey guys, we've got inventory, prices are leveling out a little bit, rates are coming down a little bit. It's a great time to go out there and get some business. Have a great day.